Joining us from Consolidated Credit to help you with your money, but we're talking specifically, Dan, about the students who just graduated because they've got a number of pitfalls in their way now that things have changed. So how do things change for that student? First off, they got to handle the debt that they may have incurred.
Well, the debt from student loans is one consideration that they have to make, and also they're job searching. Are we going to get a job straight out of university? And unfortunately, this is the assumption that most people make. So I think it's important for us to be cognizant that that might not be the case. We might have to do a couple of different part-time jobs. You
might be doing it piecemeal. You might be underemployed, which is often the term. And so what do we do with that debt, though? We've got student loans. You were saying 27% of us, 26% of us?
Yeah, they say about 27% of people graduate with about $25,000 of student loans, or if not more. So, it's important to focus in on that debt specifically.
Okay.
There is a 6-month grace period. So after you graduate school or have left school, you have 6 months to make those payments. I recommend making those payments right away.
Okay.
And trying to pay down that debt as soon as possible.
Okay, because the interest is big, so we want to get that down as quickly as possible, get the principal down as quickly as possible.
And I mean, one of the tricks that we talk about at Consolidated is, don't take the loan out for the 4 years in total. Go 1 year at a time. So take the loan out for the first year, work it in the summer, pay off that first year. Work the second year, and so on and so forth. So when you graduate, you're not accruing a massive debt.
And your situation financially could change dramatically between first year and fourth year. As far
Absolutely,
as
yeah, expenses and whatnot.
Okay, what are my rules if what if I'm desperate? I don't have the cash to make those big payments.
So there's a couple of different things you can do depending on where you got your loan from. There's federal assistance through the National Student Loan Center.
Okay.
You can apply for a interest relief grant on a hardship case. So if you're in a hardship situation, and in Manitoba, there's the RAP program. The Rapid Assistance Payment Plan program, whereby the payments will be set up so that they do not exceed a 20-year period or a 15-year period, and they don't exceed 20% of your income. So there's some adjustments that can be made based on your current situation.
There is help available.
Absolutely, but it's a matter of finding it.
Yeah, got to find it, and you got to make sure that you are absolutely positively making a payment every single time. As you've told us many times before, don't let it default.
Yeah, because the effect on your credit is going to hurt your future lending capabilities. So a lot of times people get out of university or college, their next step is let's get married, let's have a house. Well, now you can't get a house because you've damaged your credit because of non-payment on your debt.
Quickly, before I let you go, there is an app for that when it comes to your budgeting. So a free app to help you budgeting, because now is the time to look at a new budget now that your financial situation's changed.
Yeah, we have an app for iPhone. You can get it at the App Store. It's a free download budget tool. And you can carry it with you and plug in all of your expenditures, which is really important as far as tracking the expenses go. It's your number one step, right?
Knowing what you're spending first off so you can know what you're saving. All that info and Dan's website at breakfasttelevision.ca. Now let's